Oh, you hear him? Hear the recycler?
Uh-huh.
Well, here we go, mate. I don't know where the recycler is, but... Did you?
Lights out.
Oh my god.